Arms up like a ballerina. Arms up. Aiden, go arms up like a ballerina. You can do it?
That's better. That's more balancing. She likes that sensation. Arms up. One arm up. One arm up. One arm up. Oh, you're drunk.
Oh.
Drunken sailor.
Wow.
Somebody's gonna vomit.
I can't believe she's going this long.
Okay, Aiden, why don't you take a break? Take a break. Take a break.